Everyone, I'm Richa Meena, Assistant Professor in English. Today's session is dedicated to dramatic genres, most famously tragedy and comedy. First, we're going to take tragedy. What is tragedy? Tragedy is a genre of drama, as we know very well, which has serious story with a sad ending. So tragedy has a what? Serious story, right? And with a sad ending, both what? Serious story and sad ending. It is an intense kind of a story which is all about crucial evils and troubles. And in the story, what we find? The crucial elements, evils and troubles. Through the story, it has some certain seriousness as it shows the protagonist in the troubles. In the story of the tragedy, there are some certain serious elements, and that shows that protagonist, our hero of tragedy, in trouble. What we find, he is in trouble, but as the story unfolds, it even gets more troubling. So there are more troubling for protagonist, resulting as the sad and depressed ending. Next, tragedy usually sets in some battlefield, a dark and mysterious place, or any devastated place. Which type of setting is in the tragedy? There is a battlefield, a dark and mysterious palace, and any devastated palace. Now we're taking the examples of tragedy. Most famously, the Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, and the Jew of Malta, and William Shakespeare's well-known tragedy Hamlet. There is a movie in our Bollywood, Heather, the male Hamlet played by the Shahid Kapoor, as you know, and King Lear, John Webster, the White Devil, and the Duchess of Malfi. This is all about the tragedy. Now we're going to the types of tragedy. How many types in the tragedy? First, there is a revenge tragedy, tragedy of blood. The revenge tragedy, also called tragedy of blood. What is the revenge tragedy? The plot is centered on the tragic hero's attempts at taking revenge. Mostly, the revenge tragedies centered on the tragic heroes to taking revenge on the murderer of close relative. Okay. For example, the Spanish tragedy. Spanish tragedy is a work of famous by Kite and Hamlet by Shakespeare, and the Duchess of Malfi by Webster, and many more others. Next is a domestic tragedy. What is a domestic tragedy? In the domestic tragedy, a play typically about middle class or lower middle class life, concerned with the domestic spheres, the private, personal, intimate matters within the family. So mostly in the domestic tragedy we find some normal life of middle class, lower middle class, and their private issues and personal and intimate matters of their family. Such type of tragedies like Shakespeare's Othello, Heywood's A Woman Killed with Kindness, and Arthur Miller's The Death of Salesman. Now come to the next is heroic tragedy. Heroic tragedy mostly popular during the English Restoration. This is the sphere of history of English literature. Heroic tragedy or tragic comedy usually used bombastic language, and strange setting. What is bombastic language and strange settings? To depict a noble heroic protagonist. For what? To depict the noble heroic protagonist and their agony in the choosing between love and patriotic duties. What they find is that their love and patriotic duties. A typical example would be John Dryden's The Conscript of Granda and the Indian Queen. So this is the all about the what is the tragedy and types of tragedy. Now come to the next. Our dramatic journey is very famous, comedy. What is comedy? It is a drama chiefly written to amuse its audience, for entertaining his audience, with characters mostly take from everyday. So what was the elements of in comedy? It must be amuse its audience, okay, and with their characters mostly taken from the everyday life. Most important thing is they take characters from the everyday life. Comedies are not only part of bringing laughter, they also educated people, but in a pleasant environment. The comedy not only bring the laughter, with laughter they educated people with a pleasant environment. There is a very pleasant and a very pleasurious environment in the drama. They also do have troubles and climax, but they never create chaos among audience, and even the antagonist is not as furious as the genre of tragedy. So there are troubles also and climax also, but this is not like a tragedy. This is a far away from different from the tragedy. It is mostly circulated around smaller social issues and the incidents happening around educate and making them laugh and at the same time. Examples of comedies is William Shakespeare's A Midnight Summer's Dream and As You Like It. Now come to the types of the comedy. There are some major types of comedy. First is a romantic comedy. It is based on Greek New Comedy. What? It is based on a Greek New Comedy and Roman Commedia. This genre centers mostly on the uncertainty of young lovers who get happily unite in the end. So in the romantic comedy, there are young lovers and who get happily united in the end. Example of such type of comedies is Shakespeare's Midsummer Night's Dreams and As You Like It. Next, satirical comedy. Satirical comedy, a form of a comedy whose main purpose is to expose the vices and shortcomings. What vices and the shortcoming of the society and the peoples they present the society. For examples, just Ben Jonson's Walpole and Sheridan's School of for Scandal. Next is a comedy of humors, a form of drama at the end of the 16th century and the beginning of the 17th century, based on the medieval and Renaissance belief that people's actions are governed by their dominant body humor. These are blood, plague, ply, and plague ply. Its characters are ruled by a particular passion or trait. The first and most significant playwright of the genre was Ben Jonson. And the example of such type of comedy is Every Man in His Humor and every man out of his humor. Next, sentimental comedy. This comedy form appeared as a reaction against the comedy of manners, which we read before it. The comedy of manners is just as we read in the first of this is based on a dominant blood humor. In sentimental comedy, which emphasizes vices and faults of people. Sentimental comedy emphasis on vices and the faults of the people. Sentimental comedy focuses on the virtues of private life with simple and honorable characters. Examples of such type of comedies: Oliver Goldsmith's She Stops to Conquer and Richard Steele's The Consequences Lovers. Next is a farce. Farce is simply a form of a low comedy and whose intention is to provoke simple mirth in the form of raucous laughter. Not smile, there is a more loud laughter. It is used exaggerated physical actions, characters, and absurd situation. It is used exaggerated physical action, character, absurd situation with improbable events, a complex plot with events rapidly succeed in one another, and pushing character and dialogue into the background. If we're taking the example of Paris, there is a Shakespeare's comedy of error and or taming of a show. This is all about the tragedy and comedy. Now we're comparing both dramatic genre in the basis of ending, element, protagonist, and characters. Ending, ending of comedy. Comedy is a genre which has a happy and vibrant ending. And other side, tragedy is the genre which has a depressed and sorrowful ending. Now come to the element. Element has in comedies like a light-hearted talks and living characters and amusing displays of the incidents. But in tragedy, it has elements like a serious crisis and troubles. Now come to the protagonist. The protagonist of a comedy is called a comic hero. But in the tragedy, the protagonist is called a tragic hero. Characters common or middle class related to the middle class in the comedy, and in tragedy the characters is belongs to the noble man with wealth and power. This is the comparison of the dramatic genre comedy and tragedy, and this is all about the dramatic genre. And thank you very much for this.